Here are a few productivity tips for content creators to 10x your output. Number one, leave your equipment ready and covered. Now, I have witnessed this firsthand, trying to set up my equipment before I film, and this can be a really time consuming process. Just thinking about setting up the whole equipment from the very start is really tiring. Now, this can really discourage you as a content creator and slow down your creative process. So I really recommend that as a content creator, you speed up your workflow, you speed up your output by leaving your equipment all ready and covered. And by covered, I mean protecting your equipment from external damage. Now, in spite of the fact that yes, you're leaving the equipment all set up, you really have to map out a system to protect this equipment from getting damaged, from any physical harm and all of that. So make sure you put this in mind. I really believe this is a tip a content creator should be using. So make sure you put all of this in check. 2. Quality is good on equipment, but you should focus more on content quality. Now, the reason I said you should focus more on content quality is because if you have that fancy camera, you have that fancy microphone, you have all of those drip stuff, and you don't give value in what you're saying, then literally you're just saying gibberish. And the content itself is not worth the entire equipment. And for me, at some point when I first started, I was fascinated by the filming processes and all of this and all of that. I, at some point, had my attention fixated on the equipment than the content. But I really want to put this out to you if you're a content creator. Please and please focus more on your content planning process. Focus more on writing the script. Focus more on delivering value to the people that are on the other end of the screen watching than focusing on these equipment. Because I've seen a lot of YouTubers without drip cameras, without fancy microphones. They film real and helpful content that are blessing the lives of people out there. So this is what you as a content creator, one of the things that you should be focused on right now. 3, passion aids consistency. You see, you need to get serious and passionate about what you're doing to be consistent doing it. For something that you don't like doing, you can notice how tiring it can be, and so you don't want to spend more time doing that particular thing. But if you're really passionate about creating content, like for me, I'm so passionate about the community, I'm passionate about the people that are watching on YouTube, I'm passionate that I can really help someone from the comfort of my house. I can really help someone else out there achieve a particular thing like I'm doing right now on this video. So please and please, if you've gotten any value to this very moment, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also check the links in the description box down below. I covered every single thing I am going to be mentioning. You find the link down in the description box below. So let's continue with this video. 4, edit with simple softwares that save time. Now, softwares like CapCut, InShot, KineMaster, Shortcut, all these simple to use softwares for editing videos will really help to speed up your workflow. Softwares like this will really help to speed up your workflow and also give you quality content. Now, I really love CapCut because a lot of TikTokers are using this, a lot of YouTubers are using this to edit their YouTube videos and put out quality to everyone on YouTube, to their followers, to their subscribers, to new viewers. I mean, it's really, really awesome. So this is one thing you should consider as a content creator to help you increase your output, because creating content using complex softwares like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve really requires a lot, because first you have to spend time learning how to use those softwares. Now, for the simplified softwares, you have to also spend time learning how to use them, but it's something you can binge watch and instantly you're a pro at using those softwares. But the complex softwares, you really have to spend a whole lot of time. You have to sit down and learn what this function does, because the interface of some of these softwares alone is complex enough to confuse you. So yes, this complex software gives you the ability to add VFX, add some sound effects. It gives you the ability to manipulate your videos and edit them to your style, to your taste, to use good titling, to use all of these features but the truth is that it takes quite a lot of time to put just one content together. 5. Get into the habit of scheduling your content ahead of time. This will save you a whole lot of time. Now, YouTube gives you the ability to schedule your content ahead of time, and so all you have to do is, if you spend a week creating and editing your videos, you can schedule them ahead of time in the following week according to how you want those contents to go out there to people so that they can consume them. This does not just apply to YouTube alone. Later is a social media scheduling app that allows you to schedule your content, whether for Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or Facebook. And so if you really want to go towards using Later, if you really want to use Later, click the first link in the description box down below and sign up. It's free to sign up, and you can use Later for scheduling. But if you want to do other complex things with Later, then you have to upgrade to their paid plan. And so if that's what you want to do, then click the first link in the description box down below, sign up to Later, and get started. 6. Be original. Now, when I first started on YouTube, I thought I needed to use a specific pattern other creators were using, and so I felt restricted to go out and explore my own style. But the truth is, let all of that go. If you're someone that is still thinking like that, I tell you, you can't scale your content creation process using another person's pattern for creating content. You need to find your own framework. You need to find your own style. You need to find how you do your own stuff. Put it together and send it out there. The people that are going to love your content will love it, and the people that are going to hate your content will hate it. You can't escape it. The truth is, no matter how hard you try, no matter how hard you try to put the best of contents together, there are still some people that aren't going to appreciate it. So please and please be original. Don't try to adopt or get dogmatized by a specific process. Do what you want to do. Be yourself. Enjoy your creative process, and let's get this going. Number 7, talk only about what you really know. You want to talk about what you really know, things you've seen firsthand. That way your audience, that way your consumers, that way your subscribers, that way the new viewers that are getting to know you will appreciate your content the more. So if this video has helped you in any way, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.